Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, can email me here at ustazmahmood184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic I was going to. How to say I was going to in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this because this is really important for me. Thank you. And as we usually do, we take an example first. So, for example, I was going to ask him about you. I was going to ask him about you. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? I was going to ask him about you. So, we say كنت سأسأله عنك. كنت سأسأله عنك. I was going to ask him about you. كنت I was going to سأسأله سأسأله ask him about you عنك. كنت سأسأله عنك. So I was going to means كنت س and it's following by مضارع present tense. كنت س and after it you add فعل مضارع present tense. So I was going to cancel my flight. I was going to cancel my flight. So first we put كنت سألغي رحلتي. كنت سألغي رحلتي. I was going to cancel ألغي رحلتي my flight. كنت سألغي رحلتي. I was going to invite her to dinner. I was going to invite her to dinner. So first we put كنت سأدعوها إلى العشاء. كنت سأدعوها invite her to dinner إلى العشاء. كنت سأدعوها إلى العشاء. I was going to invite her to dinner. كنت سأدعوها إلى العشاء. Or I was going to meet my friends. I was going to meet my friends. So first we put كنت and كنت سأقابل أصدقائي. كنت سأقابل أصدقائي. I was going to meet my friends. كنت I was going to أقابل meet my friends أصدقائي. كنت سأقابل أصدقائي. So I was going to means كنت and after it you add فعل مضارع a present tense. And that's the end of our lesson today, guys. Inshallah, if you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.